you are able to see the screen again. I think everybody is able to see my screen. Okay, thanks for that. So let me start with the presentation without wasting much time. Well, the first important thing that I want to tell everyone, which is pertaining to the current scenario, is have you heard about herd immunity? Two similar words, right? Herd and herd. See, always I would like to tell you one thing. Viruses always need us for their survival. So even without human beings, the viruses will not be able to survive within the human body. It requires a receptacle, and we are actually the receptacle for their survival. Well, this is exactly called as herd immunity, my friends. Why I am talking about Indus Viva products as frontline immune boosters is all because of this point, herd immunity. Herd immunity is a very important concept where we all human beings develop some kind of an immunity or resistance at some point of time against the pandemic disease, and that is exactly called as herd immunity. And herd immunity can be obtained by two important things always. The first is the vaccinations. The vaccinations are quite impossible at this point of time because the researches are happening throughout the world, and it requires some time for vaccinations to come into the market and ultimately reach us. Well, herd immunity can also be obtained by the use of immune booster products. And my dear friends, we have a very a range of immune booster products with us, which are frontline immune booster products with us, and definitely we are going to reach that herd immunity by the use of these immune booster products. I hope you understood my points, my dear friends. This is how we can get immune booster, immune boosting property within our bodies by the use of our wellness products. I hope you got my point. Well, viruses need our bodies for their survival, and when our bodies are protected with immune booster products, not even a single virus can reach our body, and definitely it can all protect us against these diseases. I hope you got my point. Please start using these immune booster products, so that it is very important for everybody to protect yourself as well as your families from these dreadful diseases in future. I hope you understood my point. The second slide that I'm going to speak here is all about herd immunity again. As I've told you, when a set of population, this population involves us also, we are not separate from the population. So when this population is resistant against these harmful and dreadful diseases, automatically one can attain immunity. This is exactly called as herd immunity, my friends. And immune boosting supplements are actually the front line supplements which can protect you and your family for getting this herd immunity, as well as protecting your bodies from harmful diseases. I hope you understood my point. All Indus Viva's products are frontline immune boosters. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, I shall tell you one important quote here, which is actually taken from one of the very historic statements that was made in India. Wellness is your birthright and you shall have it. This is very important. Wellness is your birthright and everybody shall have it. As you can see in the slide, there is a basket there. I normally call this as a wellness basket. A wellness basket of Indus Viva, which comprises all the products of Indus Viva: iGlow, iCharge, iPulse, iSlim, and iCoffee, which are nothing but frontline immune boosters. I hope you got my point clear. So whenever you are promoting the products in the market, it is always with the concept of wellness basket that you have to go ahead in future. I hope you got my point. All these wellness basket products are nothing but frontline immune booster products. So wellness is your birthright and you shall definitely have it with Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited. I hope you understood this point. Well, my dear friends, what is the importance of wellness? So, importance of wellness. Everybody keeps speaking about wellness, but what is the importance of wellness? See, these are some 4 or 5 points that I want to emphasize here, which pertains to the importance of wellness. 1 in 5 adults have high blood pressure and they are unaware of it. 60% of the population have one or more chronic conditions which are actually preventable. See, suppose 10 people in your group are sitting, 6 of them have one chronic disease that nobody knows actually. And that chronic disease is absolutely not treatable with medication. but these can be managed with the help of wellness supplements. Similarly, 1 in 5 adults have high blood pressure. 10 of you are sitting together. 5 of you do not know that you have blood pressure. Do you know? Absolutely, you don't know. That is why once the blood pressure starts, always you have to use the medications. But if you are strictly on a very good wellness product regimen, like what Indus Viva products are, definitely I'll tell you, my dear friends, you will not be suffering from any kind of high blood pressure in the future. I hope you understood my point. Similarly, 90% of the people do not know that they are pre-diabetic. This is a very, very important condition which is haunting our population today. Suppose 10 people are sitting in your crowd, 9 of them do not know that they are pre-diabetic. I hope you got my point. That is the reason why if you are using iCoffee from day one, or if you are promoting iCoffee to a person from day one, definitely I will assure you that their future generation as well as their families will not suffer from any kind of diabetes disorders in the future. I hope you got my point. Likewise, 90% of the people do not know that they are in early stages of kidney disease. This is very important. 90% of them do not know. In 10 people, 9 people do not know that their kidneys are under very serious problem. Only when the kidneys are under attack, you will get to know. But in early ages, like adolescence or early adulthood or late adulthood, nobody will be knowing what exactly this kidney problem is until and unless you are affected. Why I am telling you all these points is, these are the major 4 points that you can see that wellness products have a major role to play in them. I hope you got my point. No medications, no treatment can help them. Only the wellness products can definitely help them in managing these conditions. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, what is the scope of wellness? As I previously told you, there are some 7.6 points on the screen which are seen, which are more pertinent to the world today. For example, the first and the foremost thing is called as heart disease. The second thing is cancer. The third is diabetes. Fourth is stroke. Fifth is respiratory problems. And the sixth, which we are all undergoing today, is called as the pandemics. I hope you got my point. These are the 6 major haunting factors which are actually killing the humankind today. These are otherwise called as lifestyle diseases. These are otherwise called as lifestyle diseases. I hope you understood my point. This is the relevance of wellness products in the world today in managing these conditions. I hope you got my point. No medications or surgery can 100% cure these conditions, but wellness products can 100% control and manage and protect these conditions. This is very important. That is the reason why we are called as a wellness based company. So this is actually a preventive based company. These products are exactly called as preventive products. You can consider them as preventive products for preventing all these 6 conditions that you are seeing on your screen, my dear friends. This is important. I hope you understood my point clear. Well, going ahead, my friends, the World Health Organization, the WHO, also gives the importance of wellness in this way. Wellness is actually defined as health is a state of physical, mental, social, financial, spiritual well-being. You understand each and every point here. Physical health is very important to the human body. Suppose if one says that I am physically healthy, but if my mental health is not proper, what is the importance of health then? So my physical health has to be proper, my mental health has to be proper, my social health is also very important, financial health is also very important, spiritual health is important. A combination of all these factors leads to something called as wellness. Ultimately, at the end of the day, when you are promoting the products or marketing the products, everybody is incentivized, everybody is getting money out of it, right? Financial health is also very important. So health means, or wellness means, it is not only the physical health, it is a combination of physical, mental, social, financial, spiritual. Putting all the things together, it is exactly called as health. So this is what World Health Organization has told about. Not even this, even in the textbooks of Ayurveda, the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda, in the Sushruta Samhita, the same thing is told. Health is a combination of all these factors. I hope you understood my point loud and clear. So if someone asks you what wellness is all about, you have to quote the definition of World Health Organization stating that wellness is a combination of all these factors. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my dear Vivites, what is the objective of wellness? When I talk about the objective of wellness, the first thing what I get to my mind and what everybody has to get in their minds is a statement by Hippocrates. He says that let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. So what do you mean by this? Let your diet be medicine and medicine be the food actually. See what exactly the sentence means is whenever your diet is proper, you do not require any kind of medications. I hope you understood this point. Here, the concept of diet means it is nothing but your supplements. Why I'm telling you this point here is all our Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters. They are called as dietary supplements. This is very important. Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. So thy is a very old English language actually. You can make it as the, everything is the same. So Hippocrates, who is actually called as the father of modern medicine, has quoted this quotation stating that let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. I hope you understood the point. All our products are called as dietary supplements. They are nothing but supplementation to the food. I hope you understood my point. Going ahead, my friends, Indus Viva products are not simply told like that as a story. You know that they are not expressed in the form of stories, but Indus Viva always follows something called as advanced Ayurveda. Advanced Ayurveda in the sense, what we do is we take the base of Ayurveda, we validate it with modern science and technology. This is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda, and the validation happens with the help of something called as clinical trials. Clinical trials. See, my friends, I would like to tell you something about the clinical trials. Whenever you make a product, whenever we manufacture a product, normally the product will not be launched into the market directly. Before the product is launched into the market, always the product must undergo clinical trials in hospitals in front of qualified and expertise doctors and surgeons. Do you believe this? Indus Viva's for that matter, let it be the Indian product or the US product, everything has undergone clinical trials in premier clinical hospitals. What is the importance of this clinical trial? As you can see on the slide, clinical trials are scientific investigations that examine and evaluate safety, efficacy, and proof of concept of the investigational product on the human being. This is important. For example, I make a product called as iPulse. I should see that the product iPulse is 100% safe to be used on human beings. The product is 100% efficacious to be used on human beings. Safety and efficacy are the two faces of a coin actually. Whenever we make a product, the product has to be safe, the product has to be efficacious. At the same point of time, I have proven that the product is safe and efficacious, but how do I document it? That is exactly called as proof of concept. Proof of concept is nothing but the publications that the company makes after the safety and the efficacy are actually proven. So company makes something called as publications, which are global in nature, which are available on the websites. If you can go to our company websites, you can find out the publications on the validation tab. This is exactly called as the proof of concept. For enriching the patient lives and supporting the healthy life of human beings, we undertake something called as the clinical trials. I hope you understood the point. Well, my dear friends, I'd like to tell you that all the Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters and they have undergone world-class clinical trials. Well, I'll give you a list of the hospitals which we are undergoing the trials. All our products are undergoing the trials in these premier hospitals in the city of Bangalore. You can see the list now. See, starting from Dr. Ambedkar Medical College, Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore Medical College, the Oxford Medical College, Bangalore Diabetes Center, Narayana Hridayalaya. This is a very, very important cardiac center that is, it is in Bangalore city. Everybody knows this. This is where most of the heart surgeries happen in the country of India. Not only Indians, many foreign nationals usually visit this Narayana Hrudayalaya for their cardiac surgeries. I'll tell you, my dear friends, our product iPulse is undergoing clinical trials in Narayana Hrudayalaya hospitals, which is actually registered with the Clinical Trial Registry of India. In fact, all these hospital list, what you are seeing on the screen, is registered with the Clinical Trial Registry of India. And our product iPulse, especially if I want to tell you this, is having the clinical trials which is undergoing in the Narayana Hrudayalaya hospitals, where the great Dr. Devi Shetty himself is, and he is actually the in charge of the ethical committee. He is the head of the ethical committee where our clinical trial is actually going on right now. This is what the very good news for Indus Viva is all about. Our products are not simple products. They are actually called as premium products because we are doing the clinical trials and validating the products in premier institutes in India, as well as across India, as well as across the globe as well in future. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, my friends, Indus Viva's products have been certified also. We have some very good certifications that we have obtained recently for our products. If I have to talk about the certifications, the first certification that you are seeing on the screen is actually called as the Halal certification. See, most of the people usually tell that Halal certification is only for one community or the religion. No, my dear friends. I'd like to tell you two important points here. Whenever a company goes global, whenever a company is local, all these things are not required. Whenever a company goes global, all these certifications are very much mandatory because Indus Viva is a global company. Indus Viva is having its branches in the United States, in Nepal, in East African countries, where all these certifications are mandatory. And that is the reason why we have made all these certifications ready for our existing products also. I hope you got my point clear. So that is first point. The second point, the meaning of halal certification is just this: whatever is fit for human consumption, the ingredients that we use in our products which are fit for human consumption is actually called as halal certified. I hope you understood my point. The second certification what we have is called as the kosher certification. I hope everybody knows about our product Ayurved, which is already launched in the United States market and it is doing very well. So kosher certification is actually for the US market where our product Ayurved is certified by kosher. The third certification that we have is called as ISO certification. Whenever a company becomes a global company, it should be validated by ISO. You might be knowing about ISO standards. It is for the quality management system and the quality manufacturing systems. These are the two important things where ISO certification plays a very important role. ISO 9001-2018 is actually awarded to Indus Viva Health Sciences today. ISO 9001-2018, which means that we are on the top of the quality. So we are on the epitome of quality management system as well as quality manufacturing system. And one important information that I want to share with each one of you is the fact that Indus Viva has its own manufacturing facility today. We have our own manufacturing factory with us and we have been given the GMP certification. You can see the fourth certification on your screen called as the GMP certification. The full form of this is called as Good Manufacturing Practices. It is called as Good Manufacturing Practices, which means that we have 100% quality manufacturing products with us. I hope you got my point clear. This is exactly called as Indus Viva's product certification that we have currently. So going ahead, my dear friends, Indus Viva's wellness products. This is very important. Indus Viva's wellness products. Everybody knows that Indus Viva has very good wellness products with us. But someone asks you, what do you mean by Indus Viva's wellness products? What is the definition of Indus Viva's wellness products? Always, each and every one of you have to utter these four definitions. Always, the four definitions are very important. The first definition is called as preventive products. All our products are actually called as preventive products. Everybody knows prevention is better than cure. For example, if I have to say, there is someone in your family who has a history of diabetes or someone in your family is already suffering from diabetes. So if you consume our Indus Viva's iCoffee from day one, you will be protected from this diabetes disease in the future. This is exactly called as preventive product. I hope you got my point clear. Prevention is always better than cure. The second point I want to emphasize here is called as all our products are called as holistic products. What do you mean by holistic products? Holistic products is nothing but all our products are called as complete products. They are a complete product from head till the toe. They are just not acting on your brain. They are not acting on your eyes or ears or nose or mouth or whatever it is, but it is acting on the whole body. That is exactly called as holistic product. The third definition is our products are called as alternative products. Alternatives in the sense they are considered to be safe alternatives. Safe alternatives means, for example, if someone is actually consuming a product for diabetes already, they are consuming a drink or a tablet or a capsule, they can safely take our product also along with their products. This is exactly called as safe alternatives. I hope you got my point clear, because our products are considered to be having no side effects. Our products do not have side effects. That is exactly the meaning of alternative products. The fourth definition is called as complementary products. Our products are considered to be complementary products because complementing each other, which means our products have augmented benefits, otherwise called as additional benefits. Additional benefits in the sense, for example, whenever you are consuming iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black, along with managing your sugar levels, it will also help manage your weight. This is exactly called as augmenting benefits. You are taking the product for one condition, along with that condition, your other condition is also getting improved. I hope you understood my point. Your diabetes levels are managed, at the same point of time, your weight is also reduced. So this is exactly called as complementary product. I hope you understood all the four important definitions of our wellness products. So if someone really asks you what wellness is all about, you have to talk about these four definitions. So each and every point of our human body is covered with our wellness products of Indus Viva. I hope you understood this point. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, I'll start with the first, our flagship product of Indus Viva, which is otherwise called as the super brand of Indus Viva, called as iPulse. As everyone knows, iPulse is the tagline of iPulse. We call it as acai fruits and berries concentrate. iPulse is the best immune boosting and antioxidant rich multi-fruit blend in juice form. iPulse possesses a holistic and synergistic combination of 15 fruits. This is very important. As everyone knows, the bottle of iPulse is a glass bottle, which is a 1 liter bottle. We normally call this as a flint bottle, F-L-I-N-T, flint bottle, glass or a flint bottle, which is 1 liter. So this is a combination of 15 fruits. As everybody knows, iPulse is a very important immune boosting product as well as an antioxidant product. This is very important. Going ahead, my dear friends, we have been talking about immune boosting a lot of times, even during my Facebook live series, as well as generally during the COVID-19 period. Well, that is one part of it. The second part of it, nobody should forget, is the fact that iPulse is also a very good heart protective product. This is very important. Along with its immune boosting properties, iPulse is also a very good heart protective product. Please do not forget this. Well, as you are seeing on the screen right now, what is the relationship between antioxidants and heart health? This is very important, because as everybody knows that iPulse is an antioxidant product and there must be some relationship between heart health and antioxidants. So let us see what is the relationship between antioxidants and heart health. See, the first thing that you are seeing on the screen now, major risk factors for heart failure directly or indirectly. Please have a look at it once. See, if someone of your prospects, you are doing a prospecting on the products now. So you are trying to sell the product to some downlines, or your customers. How do you proceed with this exact thing? If you go and ask someone, they will never tell what exactly the heart problem they have. Nobody will tell this. But you need to ask them all these questions for prospecting and promoting the products in the field, so far as heart issues are concerned. Please see the screen once. Diabetes. If someone is having diabetes, that is the first symptom of a heart problem. Second, smoking or chewing tobacco. Hypertension or blood pressure. High cholesterol or family history of disease. Lack of exercise. Unhealthy eating habits. Stress. Lack of sleep. Don't ignore these symptoms. Please look at the right end of the screen now. Don't ignore these symptoms. Breathlessness or exertion. See, nowadays, breathlessness is a very, very dangerous problem. Everybody is gasping like this. Whenever someone gasps like this, the doctors will pull them inside and do a COVID test these days. This is what is exactly happening. Well, my dear friends, breathlessness or exertion is also a very bad symptom. Breathlessness or cough while lying down. If someone is coughing or having difficulty in breathing when they are lying down, that is also a symptom of cardiac disease. Swelling in the legs, puffiness of the face. When there is a swelling of the face, that is also a very important symptom of cardiac disease. Excessive fatigue. Fatigue in the sense everybody feels tiredness, but whenever the tiredness has increased a lot, it results in excessive fatigue. Bloating. Bloating in the sense stomach bloating. Because of the gas problems, the stomachs usually bloat. That is how it is. The next thing is weight gain. Why I'm telling you these factors, my dear friends? Nobody will tell you that they have a heart problem. But whenever you are prospecting for promoting the product, whenever you ask them all these symptoms, I'll tell you, my dear friends, among all these symptoms, people will definitely tell about 4 or 5 symptoms. 100% they will tell about it. So it is very easy for you to promote the product because you are not promoting the product for curing the heart disease, but you are definitely promoting the product for preventing all these risk factors, and people will be definitely interested in buying the product because if they get rid of these risk factors, their heart is 100% protected. I hope you got my point. So this is how the prospection as well as the promotion of the product has to happen. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, what are antioxidants? Well, people will ask you this question also. I have told you about what is the relationship between antioxidants and heart health. But what are antioxidants? Antioxidants are molecules capable of reducing the causes or effects of oxidative stress. I know everybody knows about the concept of stress, right? Stress is a thing which happens from head to the toe. Well, antioxidants are molecules which can reduce your stress from head till the toe. This is how the antioxidants act. Oxidative stress can be caused by environmental factors which might include the pollution and all such things, atmospheric changes and everything, disease, infections, inflammation, aging process. Whenever a person ages, whenever your age increases, automatically your oxidative stress levels also increases. Because of the increase in the oxidative stress, ROS or reactive oxygen species, these are nothing but free radicals are liberated. Free radicals are liberated. Whenever the free radicals are liberated, the body will generate its own antioxidants. The body will generate its own antioxidants. But the problem here is, whenever the antioxidants in the body are very less, your body can be prone to all kinds of diseases. Whenever the antioxidants are very less in the body, your body is prone to all kinds of diseases. So what is the solution? Whenever you have less antioxidants in the body, it is always your duty to consume the antioxidants from outside. You got my point? Whenever the antioxidants are less in the body, it is always your responsibility to consume the antioxidants from outside, and these are called as dietary antioxidants. And iPulse is nothing but a dietary antioxidant. I hope you understood the point. Let me try to summarize this slide in a very easy way. Antioxidants are molecules which can reduce your oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can happen from head till the toe. Oxidative stress is caused because of environmental factors infections, diseases, and increasing age. Whenever the oxidative stress increases, free radicals are liberated. Whenever the free radicals are liberated, your body produces its own antioxidants. But whenever the body antioxidants are very less, you require antioxidants to be consumed from outside, which is nothing but dietary antioxidants. And iPulse is a very important dietary antioxidant. I hope you understood the point. Going ahead, my dear friends, the most important ingredient in iPulse is actually the acai berry. Acai berry, most of the people have this doubt that whenever we see the packaging of iPulse, where do we find this acai berry in the ingredients? Well, if you see our packaging, clearly on the front of the pack itself, we have mentioned acai and berries concentrate. That is where you can find the word acai, and whenever you see on the back of the pack where the ingredients are mentioned, you can see the Latinized name called as Euterpe oleracea. It is called as a botanical name or the Latinized name or scientific name called as Euterpe oleracea, which is the main component present in iPulse. Well, as everybody knows, acai berry is a super fruit. See, it is not a simple fruit, it is a super fruit. That is why it is exactly called as a super brand. iPulse is called as a super brand because it is having a very important ingredient called as super fruit. It is found only in the Amazon rainforest of South America. It is not available elsewhere in the world. And it is a very good heart support ingredient. It is a #1 antioxidant for anti-aging support. And the most important thing, my dear friends, the ORAC score, the ORAC. If I have to elaborate this, it is called as oxygen radical absorbance capacity score. The ORAC score of iPulse, the acai berry is more than 1 lakh. It is 1,02,700 Trolox equivalents. This is significantly high as compared to other fruits and nuts till date. Why I'm telling you this point is, most of you have asked me a question before also. There are different kinds of antioxidants available on this planet, but the taste palatability is always a very important question. Well, my dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. There is an ingredient called as dragon's blood, which is having the highest antioxidant score in the world. But a small pinch of dragon's blood is very difficult to taste because it is highly bitter to taste. But my dear friends, I want to tell you one thing here. Whenever you consume acai berry as such, the best acai berry is always tasteless. It does not have a taste. It is having a bland taste. It does not have a taste at all. That is the reason why, even though it is having more than 1 lakh ORAC units, but still it is tasteless and it can be used in our product pretty safely, and the palatability of the product will also improve. This is also important. The sensories, the palatability of the product will definitely improve whenever you use acai berry in the product. I hope you understood the point. Well, going ahead, my friends, acai berry is an ingredient which destroys the cancer cells. It is a very good immune system supporter. It is also inspired by space drink AS10, which is developed by NASA for preventing radiation in astronauts. Well, regarding this point also, most of you have asked the question that we have searched in the website, sir. There is no such drink called as AS10. There is nothing like that which is discovered by the NASA. Well, my dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. I had been personally, I had visited the NASA facility in Houston, Texas last year, and we have, seen with our eyes there. Such drinks are definitely available in the premises of NASA, and it is containing acai berry. We have seen this with our eyes there. And lastly, acai berry is used as a food for centuries as a preventive healthcare, and more than 60 scientific publications are there to validate the scientific use of acai berry. This is very important. I hope you understood the importance of acai berry as the main ingredient in iPulse. Well, my dear friends, continuing ahead with acai berry, one of the other questions that all people have is, and the most important thing that everyone has to know here is, what is the quantity of acai berry which is used in iPulse? Most of you have this question. Well, 14%, 14%, 14% of acai berry is actually used in our product. I will tell you how the material is actually used in the product. This is very important. You are seeing the left, on the left corner of the screen, you are seeing the acai berry. What we do is we remove the acai berry from the tree, we freeze it. We freeze it to minus 800 degrees. See, minus 800 is a constant. It's not constant exactly. It varies from 100 to 800 degrees negative. And after it is frozen, it is actually powdered. After it is frozen, normally it becomes rock solid. Whenever it is in a rock solid condition, it is powder. Whenever it is powder, we get something called as a freeze dried powder. That freeze dried powder, 14%, we are adding it in our product iPulse. I hope you got my point. The freeze dried powder of acai berry is added in our product iPulse. Someone might ask me, what is the relevance of using this freeze dried powder in iPulse? I'll tell you, my dear friends. You are seeing the tree there on the left corner of the screen. You are having freeze dried powder. You know what the importance of this is? Whatever the quality of the fruit which was present, whatever is there on the tree is actually present in the iPulse bottle. The naturalness, the quality, the organic nature of iPulse, the acai berry, is protected in iPulse. I hope you got my point. This is how iPulse is formulated, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, I've told you about ORAC value, oxygen, radical, absorbance, capacity, score, and iPulse. Well, 3.5 kgs of fresh organic garden fresh fruits. This is very important. Why I'm telling you this is, for a healthy human body, you require 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants per day. So how much do you require? For a healthy human being, it is 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants daily. But how do you get 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants? Suppose if you are consuming 3.5 kgs of fresh organically derived fruits, you are getting 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants daily. But the question is it possible for a human being to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh fruits? Suppose if I keep you a bowl full of fruits, 3.5 kgs of fruits, is it possible for you people to consume it? Absolutely not. That is the reason why we have made a product, a super brand with super fruit called as iPulse. If you consume 60 ml of iPulse, you will get not 5,000 ORAC units, but you will get 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants in 60 ml of iPulse itself. You see the relevance of iPulse. This is very important, my dear friends. I hope you got the point of what ORAC value and iPulse is all about. You are fulfilling the ORAC value requirement of the human body per day. This is exactly the relevance of ORAC value and iPulse. Well, my dear friends, continuing ahead, iPulse is not only a product which contains only acai berry. It contains 14 other fruits also. Totally, iPulse is a formulation of 15 antioxidant fruits. It is 15 antioxidant fruits. It is very easy to remember this, my dear friends. Totally, there are 5 berries: acai berry, blueberry, blackberry, mulberry, and strawberry. Right? You have all the phones in this, all the brand names of the phones. It is very easy to remember actually. Acai berry, blueberry, blackberry, mulberry, and strawberry. Right? These 5 berries are nothing but super fruits. They are nothing but super fruits. Usually berries are called as super fruits. Along with that, you have the other fruits also. So totally it has a combination of 14 fruits plus acai berry, which are considered to be the best antioxidant fruits. They are called as antioxidant fruits. When you see the heading, it is clearly mentioned as synergistic composition of iPulse. Synergism means a very good combination. Synergism means a very good combination of 15 fruits so that it gives very good antioxidant property to the human body. I hope you understood the point. It is very easy to remember. Think about the brand names of the phones. You will remember all the fruits. I hope this mantra is clear to everybody. Well, the next thing that I'm going to speak here is how exactly the free radicals are affecting your body. This is very important because why is antioxidants fruits important to the body? For that, this slide is very important. As I told you, whenever the body is affected with oxidative stress from head till the toe, free radicals are generated in the body. You are seeing the free radicals on the left corner of your screen. They are looking like some kind of ghosts, right? They are some kind of vampires or ghosts. They are having some teeth and all. You can just see that. Free radicals will eat everything in the body actually. The main purpose of free radical is they will eat each and every organ of your body. Do you want that to happen? Nobody wants this to happen actually. For example, if you see the right corner of your screen, whenever the free radicals affects your brain, whenever the free radicals affect your brain, it causes Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and migraine, insomnia. Such diseases will happen. Whenever the free radicals will affect your heart, heart attacks will happen. Whenever the free radicals affect your kidneys, kidney disease will happen. People will end up with dialysis. Whenever the free radicals affects your skin, skin diseases can happen, acne or pimples can happen, dermatitis can happen, psoriasis can happen. Whenever the free radicals affect joints, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, such joint inflammatory diseases can happen. Whenever the free radicals affect the immune system, the people can suffer from cold, flu, fever, whatever, such kind of respiratory problems. Whenever the free radicals affect the blood vessels, person will suffer from hypertension or blood pressure. Similarly, whenever the free radicals affect the lungs, it will have asthma, tuberculosis, even cancers. Similarly, when it affects the eyes, you will have retinal problems, cataracts, such things can happen. So my dear friends, I want to tell you this, whichever organ the free radicals is actually affecting, automatically that organ will be eaten away by the free radicals. That organ will be eaten away by the free radicals. This is how exactly the free radicals are affecting the whole body. What does iPulse do is the next slide. iPulse fights the free radicals. How does iPulse fight the free radicals? iPulse will donate an extra electron to the free radical so that the free radicals are neutralized. See, each and every one of you, including me, have free radicals in our body, but you cannot destroy the free radicals, but you can neutralize the free radicals. What iPulse is doing in all our bodies is, it is neutralizing the free radicals so that each one of you will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful disease in the future. I hope you understood this point. This is how iPulse will fight the free radicals. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, what are the significant benefits of iPulse? The first and the foremost thing, iPulse is a very good product for cardio protection or the heart protection. As you can see on the screen, it strengthens the heart, it inhibits platelet aggregation, it reduces increased cholesterol levels, it has antioxidant benefits which protects the cells, it scavenges the free radicals, strengthens cell membrane, it restores the antioxidant numbers, immunomodulator benefits, it builds the proteins, strengthens your immune system. That is the reason why we are telling iPulse is a very good product for immune boosting, enhances cellular communication, gives inflammation, fights bacteria and fights viruses. Going ahead, my dear friends, anti-cancer benefits, it helps reduce the risk of cancer and supports healthy quality of life in patients. This is very important. It is improving their lifestyle only, not doing anything else. Good nervous system benefits, it strengthens your nervous system, strengthens memory and improves mental clarity. It is having very good anti-diabetic benefits also, my dear friends. This is very important. iPulse is a product which can definitely be used in diabetes patients, because diabetes, which I'll explain you in iCoffee again, diabetes is a condition where it has complications. To avoid the complications of diabetes like retinopathy, nephropathy, neuropathy, iPulse is very important. Combating the complications of diabetes, not managing the sugar levels, but combating the complications of diabetes. This is very important, my dear friends. Well, coming to the frequently asked questions of iPulse, if you have to see this, the first thing is it suitable for diabetes? As I have told you, definitely iPulse is a product which can be used in diabetes people. But in case of diabetes, it is always important to use 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before food. It is better to be used only 40 ml in a day, not 60 ml in a day in case of diabetes population. It is definitely good for blood pressure. from the age limit point of view, from children of 1 year to adults, iPulse can be used safely. Duration of intake, definitely iPulse can be used as long as desired, but as I suggest you, better to be used for 90 days or 3 months. Time of intake, it is always preferable to be used half an hour before your breakfast and half an hour before your dinner. It is always better before food, because the absorption of iPulse is very beneficial before food always. During pregnancy and lactation, iPulse can be safely used, but for the first 6 months of pregnancy, it is always good. After 6 months, it is better not to be used, because it can be used under the guidance of your healthcare provider. During the breastfeeding or the lactation, definitely iPulse can be used from first month onwards. Well, as I have told you, my dear friends, the directions of use are concerned, 30 ml of iPulse twice daily is always better. Well, my dear friends, going ahead to the next product, which is also a very important product in Indus Viva, iCoffee. Well, as you know that there are two brands of iCoffee with us. One is iCoffee Creamer, the second is iCoffee Black. As our tagline clearly says, iCoffee controls diabetes without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. I hope you understood this statement, my dear friends. See, what you have to do here is controlling diabetes. So you are getting the taste of coffee. At the same point of time, you are getting the health benefit also. You are getting the taste of coffee. At the same point of time, you are getting the health benefit also. That is the reason why we call it as iCoffee, which is without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. Well, what is diabetes? Diabetes is nothing but high levels of blood. It is a disease, it's a disorder. Diabetes is not a disease, it is a disorder which is a combination of many diseases. High levels of blood glucose resulting from defects in insulin production, insulin action, or both. See, it's a simple thing. If I have to tell you in very simpler words, diabetes is nothing but whenever there is a disturbance in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism, a person's body suffers from diabetes. This is what exactly diabetes is all about. The effects of diabetes may include long-term damage, dysfunction, and failure of various organs in the body. Very easy to understand this. It is only the disturbance in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Well, going ahead, my friends, what are the types of diabetes? You have type 1, which is called as insulin-dependent diabetes. Type 2, which is called as non-insulin dependent diabetes. You have the pregnancy-related diabetes as well as pre-diabetes. These are the 4 types of diabetes. Along with that, if you see the left-hand corner of the screen, you can see the reasons which are listed for diabetes, mainly the insulin resistance, abnormal glucose production, genetic susceptibility, obesity, increasing age, bad diet, and pre-diabetes. These are actually some of the reasons for diabetes, and the types of diabetes are listed on the right-hand corner of the screen. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, if I have to state about describe the statistics of diabetes in India, you can clearly see on the left corner of the screen, the map of the country is marked in red color, which clearly means by the year 2040, 125 million people in India will become diabetic. And India will have to shell down a lot of money on controlling this situation. Well, my dear friends, again, if you have to see the right-hand corner of the screen, 126% growth in men, 109% growth in women. Totally, if you take an average, 128% increase in diabetes is actually seen in people across the country. This is what exactly is a very dangerous statistic that we have. But I'd like to tell you, this is a bitter truth of India, but we have a product with us which is actually having advantage for this particular problem, so that we can definitely reduce the statistics at least to 50%. This is very important for us. We cannot reduce it to 0, but definitely we can reduce it to 50%, so that we are solving the problem of millions of people across the country. So this is how we have to take and promote the product ahead, my dear friends. Well, as I've told you, diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder. Disorder means it is a collection of diseases. Diabetes always has tiredness, frequent urination, sudden weight loss, wounds that not heal, always hungry, sexual problems, both in men and women. You have blurry vision. There are vision problems, vaginal infections in women. numbness or tingling of feet, always thirsty. This is also very important, always thirsty. Well, I would like to simply tell you three important points so far as diabetes disorder is concerned. Three important points. First thing is neuropathy. Second thing is retinopathy. Third thing is nephropathy. There are three pathis. It's very easy to remember. There are three pathis in diabetes, not patniya. Only three pathis are there. The three pathis are retinopathy, which affects your eyes, nephropathy, which affects your kidneys, and neuropathy, which affects your nerves. Totally, there are three pathis in diabetes, which are the complications of diabetes. I hope you understood my point. It is pretty easy to remember. Only the pathis, not the patnis. Well, the most important thing in in eye coffee is the presence of an ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. We call it as salcital. Salcital is a patented ingredient which is present in eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black, which is made up of an ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. In Indian terminology, we call this as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. Ekanayakam or Saptaranga, which is the main ingredient of eye coffee. Along with this, we have used the coffee beans which are obtained from Coorg region of Karnataka. Coorg region is considered to be the best coffee growing region in the country with 100% quality organic coffee beans. It contains 100% quality organic coffee beans which are sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka, which we are blending with Salacia reticulata, and we are making the eye coffee. So totally, my dear friends, there are three ingredients in eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black. So everybody needs to know this. There are three major ingredients in eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black. The first thing is salcital. The second thing is coffee powder. The third thing is Mucuna prurens. We call it as cow hage. Please see the right corner of your screen. There is an ingredient which is shown with some of the seeds on it. This is called as Mucuna prurens. It is called as cow hage in English. So totally, there are three ingredients in eye coffee creamer and eye coffee black. Again, I would like to repeat it. First thing is salcital. Second is coffee powder. The third is Mucuna prurens. All the three ingredients are very good ingredients for managing your sugar levels. These are three important ingredients which can efficiently manage your sugar levels. Well, going ahead, my friends, processing of eye coffee. If you see, normally what we do is we roast the eye coffee, so the coffee seeds at 40 degrees Celsius. At 40 degrees Celsius, so that the caffeine is totally destroyed in coffee beans. So, eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black does not contain caffeine in it. I'm telling you again, it is devoid of caffeine, but it contains the polyphenols. Polyphenols are nothing but antioxidants which come out of the coffee beans, which is helpful for the human body, not only for the general health, but also for controlling or managing your sugar levels. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, eye coffee is suitable for all the kinds of diabetes. It does not have any sugar. So some people have a doubt that does eye coffee contain sugar? No. How long this should be taken? As long as desired, you can consume eye coffee. But as a wellness product, it is always important to consume it at least for 3 months or 90 days for the wellness products to show its benefits in the body. Can this be taken along with other medications? Definitely yes. Can this be taken along with insulin? Definitely yes. Does this lower the sugar? No. Our product, eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black, is not like your diabetes medicine. Whenever a person is consuming a diabetic capsule or a tablet, normally the sugar level falls down. It is called as hypoglycemia. But eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black will not cause any kind of hypoglycemia, so that you don't have to worry about fall in the sugar levels. Finally, last but not the least, a very important point in eye coffee. Can a normal person consume eye coffee? I am not a diabetic. Can I consume eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black? Absolutely yes. If I have to prevent myself and my family from getting diabetes in future, from today itself, I have to start with eye coffee creamer or eye coffee black, so that my family will not suffer from any kind of diabetes related disorders in future. That is why you have to consume eye coffee. But my dear friends, I would like to tell you one more thing here. For a normal person, it is always suggested to consume just one sachet in a day or you can also make it half sachet twice a day, so that you will not suffer from any kind of other imbalances in the body. It is always suggested to use one sachet in a day, that is enough. And so far as the preparation of iCoffee is concerned, you can see the right hand corner of the screen, directions for use. Always one sachet of iCoffee has to be mixed with at least 80 to 100 ml hot water. I'm again repeating this, my dear friends. It is not warm water or cold water. Please do not prepare some cold coffee or coffee shake or whatever, the latte or whatever it is, mocha. No, try to make iCoffee with 80 to 100 ml hot water, because iCoffee contains polyphenols, and the polyphenols can be best extracted in hot water only. That is the reason why always use 80 to 100 ml of hot water. Don't use any other kind of water. I hope these points are clear, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, the next important product of Indus Viva, iSlim Flat Tummies. Well, iSlim Flat Tummies is a very important product for comprehensive weight management support. Please have a look at the taglines. This is very important. Comprehensive weight management support. Well, I'd like to tell you three important things here, my friends. Whenever you look into the word weight management, what do you think about it? Weight management can be three important things. The first thing is increasing the weight. The second thing is managing the weight. The third thing is decreasing the weight. I hope you got my point clear. Again, I try to repeat this. Weight management, if you see the word, there are three important things that is to be noted here. First is increasing the weight. Second is managing the weight. The third is reducing the weight. This is exactly called as weight management. Well, if you see this, one of the important reports which appeared in the CNBC markets, malnutrition. See, this is not malnutrition that I'm talking about. Malnutrition, MALL, which means that people are inclined to mall culture these days. They're always going to the malls and eating at the shops which are available in the mall, especially the pizzas, the burgers, or whatever the items which are available with processed fat. I'm telling you again, processed fat. Whenever the processed fat goes into your body, automatically the body weight gains. This is exactly called as malnutrition. But here I want to tell you one thing, my dear friends, pertaining to the current scenario, due to the COVID-19 lockdown, all the malls have been closed actually. So there is no malnutrition as of now. But as and when the lockdown opens up, the malls are again going to open up, and definitely the cases of obesity will increase, and the importance of iSlim Flat Tummies bar will again increase. So this is exactly called as malnutrition. So whole worldwide, if you see, $3.5 trillion every year is actually spent on products for controlling obesity and overweight. This is very important. $3.5 trillion. Well, what is the uniqueness of iSlim Flat Tummies? This is very important that each and every distributor has to know. There are 5 pointers for iSlim Flat Tummies bar. The first thing is it is having very low calorie, synergistic active. Synergistic is a very good combination of ingredients. Weight management, I've already told you the 3 types of weight management. Again, for your benefit, I will repeat that for you. Weight management means either it is increasing the weight, managing the weight, or reducing the weight. This is a product which is fiber rich. And last but not the least, this is a product which is 100% natural. It is 100% natural, devoid of all kinds of preservatives, pesticides, and fertilizers. It doesn't have any kinds of chemicals in it. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, again, overweight and obesity, if you see, it is not a single disease. It is a combination of many diseases, starting from diabetes, heart problems, decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer, osteoarthritis, asthma, blood cholesterol, kidney failure. Renal failure is nothing but kidney failure, sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is nothing but snoring, psychological and emotional effects, gout. Gout in the sense it is uric acid increase. Whenever the uric acid increases in your fingers, it is called as gout. Low back pain, pregnancy related diseases, liver disease, as well as paralysis, stroke. I'll tell you, my dear friends, why I am telling you all these points is overweight and obesity is not a single disease. Overweight and obesity is a disorder which is comprising of all these diseases put together. So whenever you are promoting iSlim flat tummies bar to a prospect, you are just not controlling his obesity, but you are controlling or managing all these disorders from diabetes till stroke. This is how the promotion has to be done. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, composition of iSlim flat tummies. iSlim flat tummies mainly contains three important ingredients, which are called as synergistic combination of ingredients. Synergistic combination of ingredients. You can see them on the screen. The first ingredient is called as Salacia reticulata, otherwise called as salsitol. We have already described it in iCoffee, which is a very good anti-diabetic ingredient. The second is called as Coleus forscoli, which is a very good weight reduction ingredient. The third is called as Sesamum indicum, which is otherwise called as your sesame seeds, which reduces cholesterol. Please have a look at this slide again. There are three important points here. The first ingredient is an anti-diabetic. The second ingredient is a weight reduction. The third ingredient reduces cholesterol. So this is a wonderful combination of iSlim flat tummies bar, which is acting on different systems in the body so that it can 100% it can reduce the obesity disorder. I hope you understood this point. Only 3 points are very important in this slide. Please have a note on it. The next important thing is not only the 3 ingredients, but iSlim flat tummies also contains the natural fibers. This is very important. The natural fibers which are derived from oats and ragi. This is very important. Natural fibers which are derived from oats and ragi. The next thing is natural protein concentrates which are derived from soya bean and whey protein. Whey protein is nothing but the protein which is derived from milk. The milk protein is called as whey protein. Herbal extracts which includes ashwagandha, which is nothing but Indian ginseng, and Mucuna pruriens, kapikachu. Already I have spoken about Mucuna pruriens in iCoffee also. This is called as Mucuna pruriens or cowhage. Both these herbal ingredients will reduce the stress during the weight management process. I hope you got my point now. Again, I would like to simply reiterate this. iSlim flat tummies bar contains the synergistic combination of ingredients. It has fibers, it has proteins, it has herbal ingredients. I hope you got my point. It is a combination of iSlim flat tummies bar. Well, coming to the FAQs, the frequently asked questions of iSlim flat tummies bar again. Diabetes, the first and the foremost thing. Suppose if a patient of diabetes is also suffering from obesity, definitely you can give iSlim flat tummies bar. It is helpful for both the conditions. Suppose if a person is suffering from both high blood pressure and low blood pressure, definitely you can give iSlim flat tummies bar. During the pregnancy, if some pregnant lady is a bit obese, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, you can definitely give iSlim flat tummies bar. During the lactation process, during the breastfeeding process, after first month of delivery, you can definitely give iSlim flat tummies bar. Suppose if a person is suffering from thyroid issues, definitely you can give iSlim flat tummies bar. Heart problems, yes. Skin issues, yes. All these are some of the conditions where iSlim flat tummies bar can be safely given. Well, as you are seeing on the right corner of the screen now, burn fat the healthy way, which means that there are 2 kinds of fat in our body. One is called as a good fat, the other is called as a bad fat. iSlim flat tummies bar will always throw the bad fat out, but will retain the good fat inside. This is exactly called as good fat in and bad fat out. So I would always suggest you to consume iSlim flat tummies bar in the night between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. after an optional light dinner at 6 p.m. It is always important for the consumption of iSlim flat tummies bar during this time for getting very good beneficial results. I hope got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead again, I would like to start with the next product, iCharge. Everybody knows this is a time to charge up. So most of the people have been sitting back at home because of the COVID-19 lockdown situations, and everybody needs to charge up these days. And iCharge is the best product to recharge you. This is very important. Well, iCharge, as you can see on the screen, is a natural rejuvenator for strength, stamina, and stress. It is very easy to remember, for increasing the strength, stamina, and reducing the stress. This is very important. iCharge is a 100% natural energy drink backed with vitality, propelled with the wisdom of Ayurveda. iCharge is a mouth-watering fizz formulation composed of a holistic combination of 80 herbs. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, it contains 80 herbs, and it is a fizz formulation. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, there is a concept called as immune stress vicious cycle. There is immunity here, there is stress here. So why is stress happening in the body? Because the body is losing its immunity day by day. Again, the concept of immunity came in here. Whenever you lose your immunity day by day, automatically the stress in the body will increase. That is the reason why your body's organs will be stressed up. I would have told this many times in my training programs before. Whenever someone talks about stress, always they will be showing their head. Don't show your head. Normally, the stress happens in an organ called as adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are the organs which are present above the kidneys. There are two adrenal glands in the body, right and left, which are placed above your kidneys. That is where the stress originates. So, never show your stress here. Stress is only shown there so far as other medias and other things are concerned. But the stress originates in your adrenal glands only, not here. But don't try to show your adrenal glands. It will not be proper actually if you show your adrenal glands from outside. I hope you got my point. Well, so whenever the body is affected with stress, automatically your immune system depletes. So whenever your immune system depletes, your body will not be able to counteract that stress. So you need something from outside to drink so that your stress will be relieved. And that is exactly called as iCharge. I hope you got my point. This slide is only talking about two important things here. You elevate your immune system, automatically your stress will reduce. I hope you got my point. Elevate your immune system, reduce your stress. This is exactly called as immune stress vicious cycle. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, stress can affect different parts of the body. Stress is not only this. That is why I'm showing this important slide to you. Everybody will show like this, or they point out your head. But you see the whole slide here. Starting from your headache till the cancer, or asthma, or high blood pressure, stomach ache, circulation problem, breathing problem, depression, everything is related to stress, even fertility problems. See, that is the reason why people just show it here. But stress is actually happening in your whole body. This is what the truth is. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, iCharge is a product which contains three major ingredients. It contains three major ingredients which have been traditionally derived from the textbooks of Ayurveda. The three ingredients include Ashwagandhadhyarishta, Balarishta, and Drakshasava. Ashwagandhadhyarishta, Balarishta, and Drakshasava. All these three ingredients put together, it is a combination of 80 herbs. 80. It is a combination of 80 herbs. So if someone asks you how many ingredients are there in iCharge, your answer must be 80 herbs. I hope you understood my point clear. So the next important thing is, why choose iCharge? What are the benefits of drinking iCharge? The first benefit is it reduces your stress, right? This is very important. Again, I am telling you, stress is not this. Each and every organ of your body is stressed up. iCharge is a holistic product which reduces the stress from head till the toe. The second thing, it improves your alertness. It improves your endurance and energy. It improves rejuvenation. Rejuvenation means head to the toe rejuvenation. Each and every cell of your body will be rejuvenated. It maintains good eyesight. It improves your memory also. It enhances your memory. I hope you got my point clear. This is what exactly iCharge is all about. Again, I want to tell you one important point, my dear friends, here. Maintaining good eyesight. iCharge also contains a very important ingredient called as lutein. Lutein is nothing but eye vitamin. It is an eye vitamin which is derived from the marigold flowers. We have added lutein in this iCharge, which is very important for maintaining your eyesight. This is very important. I hope you understood this slide. What is the benefit of iCharge? Well, going ahead, my friends, FAQs of iCharge, the frequently asked questions of iCharge. Can diabetic population consume this? This is very important because diabetic people are prone to tiredness and fatigue. Definitely, my dear friends, iCharge is zero caffeine and zero sugar. iCharge is zero caffeine and zero sugar. That is the reason why you can definitely consume, diabetes people can definitely consume iCharge. Second thing, can BP patients consume this? Absolutely yes. Can school going children consume this? From the age of 6 years. From the age of 6 years, the school going children can consume this iCharge. Is iCharge habit forming? Absolutely no. iCharge is not a habit forming formulation or a drink. Can this be consumed before or after food is another question that people normally ask. Definitely yes, it can be consumed either before food or after food any time in a day, but preferable to be consumed up to 2 to 3 cans in a day. Not more than 3 cans a day, at least up to 3 cans a day, one can consume iCharge so that the benefits of iCharge can be imbibed into the human body. I hope you understood my point clear. Well, my dear friends, so this was about iCharge. I hope you have understood the important point of iCharge. Once again, I want to repeat it here. iCharge is first of its kind formulation in India, which is zero caffeine and zero sugar. This is important. Zero caffeine and zero sugar. Well, going ahead, my friends, I would like to talk about, okay, so don't burn out, recharge yourself with iCharge. This is important. The caption is very important here. Don't burn out, recharge all yourselves with iCharge. Well, going ahead, my friends, I'm going to talk about the last product of Indus Viva today, which is iGlow. Well, everybody is very curious to understand what iGlow is all about, because iGlow again is first of its kind consumable product in India, which is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and make the skin glow outside. This is very important, which will condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is exactly the importance of iGlow is. iGlow is otherwise called as an internal cosmetic. You can call this as an internal cosmetic. This is very important. This is not something to apply. This is nothing but an internal cosmetic. Well, going ahead, my friends, the most important thing that one has to know about iGlow is, who doesn't want brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? Everybody wants this, right? Everybody wants to look brighter. Everybody wants to look younger, and everybody needs a very healthy skin, right? But the question remains, what is beauty? Is looking beautiful beauty? No. Beauty should be beneath and beyond your skin. That is exactly called as beauty. Beauty is not something which is seen on the top. No. Beauty is something which is seen beneath and beyond the skin. So, after you consume iGlow, it is that beauty that we want which comes from beyond and beneath your skin, not to be seen on your skin. This is what exactly is called as iGlow, and that beauty must be undeniable. This is very important. The beauty must be undeniable. So if someone sees you, they have to see you with a healthy skin. This is what we exactly want from iGlow. I hope you got my point clear. Well, I would like to talk about one important slide about India's beauty market. As you can see here on this slide, Indian beauty market will enhance its growth by 2,463.49 billion by 2024. This is very important. So in India, the use of topical cosmetics will decrease, but the use of internal cosmetics will definitely increase. The use of internal cosmetics will definitely increase. And as I've told you, iGlow is nothing but a very important internal cosmetic product. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, there is another important word that iGlow product to be given. It is exactly called as Nutri Cosmetic. iGlow is also called as a Nutri Cosmetic product. What is Nutri Cosmetic? Beauty starts beneath the surface. This is very important. Beauty starts beneath your skin surface. It is not on the skin surface. It is beneath your skin surface, below the skin surface. Nutri Cosmetic products and ingredients act as nutritional supplements to care the skin, nail, as well as hairs in natural beauty. They work from inside to promote the beauty from within. Nutri-Cosmetic is the latest trend in beauty industries. This is very important. Nutri-Cosmetic is nothing but the latest trend in beauty industry. So what do you exactly mean by Nutri-Cosmetics? It is nothing but addition of nutrients plus herbal extracts is equal to Nutri-Cosmetics. I hope you understood my point clear now. Eye Glow is nothing but addition of nutrients plus herbal extracts is equal to Nutri-Cosmetics. I hope you got my point clear. Eye Glow is called as an internal cosmetic. Eye Glow is also called as a Nutri-Cosmetic. I hope you got my point. Okay, going ahead, my dear friends. The main ingredient of Eye Glow is called as saffron. Saffron, as everybody knows, is called as kesar. The botanical name or the scientific name of saffron is called as Crocus sativus. Normally, saffron grows in northern parts of India from Kashmir to Iran and European countries. But I'll tell you, my dear friends, Indus Viva is actually using the saffron which is sourced from Kashmir Valley, which is considered to be the best quality saffron which is available in the whole world. In the whole world, Kashmir Valley saffron is considered to be the best, and Indus Viva is actually using this saffron from Kashmir Valley. And it is considered to be the most expensive spice in the world. And why Indus Viva's products are considered to be the most premium products? It is because we are using the most premium ingredient which is present on this planet Earth. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my friends, saffron is a very important ingredient which nurtures your skin. It moisturizes your skin, making it blemish free and radiant. Saffron is documented in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years. Saffron is a very good product which shows antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is a very important ingredient for getting rid of your pimples or acne, and skin healing process is also enhanced by the use of saffron. I hope you understood the point of what saffron's importance here is. Well, not only saffron, my dear friends, Eye Glow also contains natural plant collagen. Natural plant collagen, which is derived from vegetables like cucumber. Natural plant collagen normally tightens your skin. Whenever your skin becomes loose, natural plant collagen will tighten your skin, so automatically your aging process will retard. It also contains grape seed extract, which is a source of antioxidants, which effectively moisturizes and hydrates your skin. It contains kojic acid. Kojic acid will reduce the dark spots on the skin. Kojic acid is not some kind of an acid which will burn your body. Don't worry about it. Kojic acid is a natural acid which will prevent the dark spots. It contains the licorice extract, which again protects your body against the the skin damages, as well as it lightens your skin tone from the dark tone to light tone. It also contains the lutein extract. The lutein extract is from marigold flowers. The lutein is also very important for increasing your skin moisturization. And it also contains something called as natural CoQ10, which is an enzyme. This natural CoQ10 will give the skin energy. This is very important. Your whole body can look energized, but some people will have a very dull skin. They might be bodybuilders, but their skin always looks dull. This is why the skin also requires energy. So whenever you are using natural CoQ10, your skin health will also improve. The energy of the skin will also improve. I hope you got my point clear. So these were all the ingredients and composition of Eye Glow. Coming to the benefits of Eye Glow, these are the top benefits of Eye Glow which you are seeing on the screen now. It helps in skin lightening. This is very important. Skin lightening and skin brightening are the two important words. You should never tell that I will make a black person look white. No, you are not supposed to use those statements that I will make a black person look white. No, it is illegal. But you can use the word skin lightening, which means you can make the dark tone look light tone. This is very important. Dark tone to light tone. So second thing is, it is a very good anti-aging ingredient. It is a very good anti-wrinkle product. It is a very good skin moisturizing product. It reduces the dark spots. blemish control. I will tell you one simple point about blemish. Everybody knows what pimples are. Pimple is probably one or two pimples can appear here and there, but whenever two or three pimples join together, you will see a small line, the joining of the pimples. That is exactly called as a blemish. When all the two or three pimples join, you can see a big spot on the skin. That is exactly called as a blemish. That is also controlled by eye glow. It gives you a radiant complexion. It prevents your skin damage control. See, this is very important because skin is always subjected to wear and tear because we are exposed to pollution, dust, all these things. So whenever you are consuming eye glow, it prevents the damage to the skin. This is very important. The next thing is it rejuvenates the whole skin. Again, I want to tell you, my dear friends, eye glow, since I'm showing my face, it is not only a product which is used for the face. Okay, eye glow is an internal cosmetic product which will act on your skin wherever the skin is present in your body. It is not only on the face. Since I'm just showing the face only for depicting the things which are written on the slide, but eye glow is a product which will take care of your holistic skin health. It is for the complete skin health from the head till the toe. I hope you got my point clear. Finally, eye glow is a very good liver detox product. It detoxifies your liver. Finally, it purifies your blood. Whenever the liver is detoxified, the blood is purified, automatically your skin glows. This is very, very important thing. Again, I would like to reiterate this point. Whenever your liver is detoxified, your blood purification happens, then you will get a very good radiant complexion, otherwise called as skin glow. I hope you got my point clear. So these are all the major benefits of eye glow that each and every one of you have to know. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, the FAQs, frequently asked questions of eye glow. Eye glow is an excellent product for all skin types. Skin types in the sense you will have dry skin, you will have oily skin, you will have a combination skin. So it is excellent product for all the skin types. It is suitable for men, women, as well as kids, which means that it can be used for kids also from 3 years of age. It can be used for kids from 3 years of age. Again, I'm repeating this, from 3 years of age, not below 3 years of age. For best results, I would always suggest you to use 1 to 2 sachets of eye glow 15 minutes after your food. This is very important. 15 minutes after your food, it is always important. Eye glow can be consumed safely for a longer duration and it is well tolerated. So again, I would like to tell you, my dear friends, any wellness product for that matter should always be consumed at least for a minimum period of 3 months or 90 days to show its benefits within the human body. This is very important. Finally, eye glow can be used as an adjuvant with other cosmetics and medications safely. So you don't have to tell people, please stop your cosmetics. So please don't do that. Let them use their cosmetics or medication. Along with that, please suggest our products also. Promote the products in a very good, scientifically validated and logical way so that the concept reaches the people and then the buying will also start. The sales can also be promoted. So it can be used as an adjuvant with other cosmetics and medications safely. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. So this is about eye glow. Finally, I would like to thank you all for your patient listening. I hope you have imbibed the products, knowledge that is actually available with us right now, the 5 different products, what I've told you right now. I hope everybody has imbibed this knowledge, and I would request you all to take ahead these promotional things in a scientifically validated and logical way in the market so that more and more promotions will happen and more sales can happen. So thank you very much for patient hearing. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Thank you.